Looking for his teammate. Pass to Aurelio. 10 seconds to shoot. Aurelio to Lim. Lim no good. Luciano got the rebound. Luciano to Pinal. 3v2 situation. Pinal. Lay no good. Luciano step on the rebound. Luciano on the paint. Luciano. Oh, he got fouled. Luciano. Foul number 27. First personal foul, number 27. First team foul. First free throw is good for Luciano. Both free throws are good for Luciano. Lim to Aurelio. Aurelio, stopping shot, jumper. Yes! Aurelio, 2 points. Luciano to Padayuman. Padayuman. Tip. Lim got the ball. 2v1. Lim with the open lane. Yes. Easy 2 points. Both teams are ready. Second 5. Luciano. Survey the D. 14 seconds to shoot. Luciano to Vidal. Vidal. Yes, 2 points. Great pass by Luciano. Change 5. Castillo bringing down the ball. Castillo to Serelia. Serelia attacking to Kobe. Kobe no good. Kobe got the ball again. Kobe. Second chance opportunity no good. They got the ball again. Kobe again no good. Papu got the rebound. Papu to Badong. Badong. On the brain. Badong. 2 points. In a foul. Foul number 18. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw for Badong. Bonus free throw is good for Badong. Pedrano to Kobe. Kobe on the paint. Pedrano attacking. Pedrano. Yes! 2 points. Papu to Jay Santos. 14 seconds to shoot. Marmeto to Badong. Badong to Asuelo. 10 seconds to shoot. Asuelo. Whoa! No good. Asuelo got the ball again. To Papu. Wide open 3-pointer. No good. Asuelo got the ball again. Passes to Pedrano. Pedrano to Serelia. 2v2 situation. Serelia on the paint. Serelia. Great D by Jay Santos. Jay Santos penetrating. Loader no good. Dison with the rebound. Passes to Castillo. Castillo to Pedrano. Oh no. Pedrano got the ball. Pedrano to Kobe. Kobe. Easy 2 points. Papu. Bringing down the ball. Papu to Jay Santos. 14 seconds to shoot. Jay Santos to Papu. Papu for the try. Pedrano. Kobe with the rebound. Passes to Castillo. Castillo to Pedrano. Timeout. Phoenicia Warriors. Our official score is 17-11. 6-point lead for Pook Clothing. Time remaining 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Jay Santos, survey na D, passes to Papu. Papu. 5 seconds to shoot. Badong. 2 points for Badong. Pedrano, let him move. Marmeto get the ball. Marmeto to Jay Santos. Jay Santos penetrating. Jay Santos. Traveling violation. Pedrano to Cerilla. Cerilla. Dizon got the ball. Dizon got fouled. Foul number 72. Yan. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. First free throw is good for Dizon.
Pero sa likod.
Both free throws are good for Dizon. Papu, being defended by Cerilla. 14 seconds to shoot. Seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Papu to Jay Santos. 5 seconds, Jay Santos. No good. Dizon with the rebound. Passes to Pedrano. Pedrano penetrating. Pedrano let him move. It's good. Pedrano 2 points. Marmeto survey the D. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Jay Santos no good. Marmeto get the rebound again. Marmeto penetrating. 2 points for Marmeto. Castillo. Castillo to Kobe. Penalty po, penalty. Penalty. Foul number 12. First personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots for Arguelles. First free throw is good for Kobe. Both free throws are good for Kobe. Point lead for Pahawk Floating. Our official score 25-15. Papu to Asuelo. Asuelo. Oh no, unlucky. Castillo to Pedrano. Pedrano. Yes, 2 points. Papu being double team. Foul. Foul number 20. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Badong. Jumper, Badong. No good. Badong got the ball again. Jay Santos, Jackson Madrid. No good. Marmeto. Oh my God. What a connection by Manong. Passes to Marmeto. Castillo to Pedrano. Pedrano to Dixon. To Serilia. 14 seconds to shoot. Same ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Time remaining 20.2 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo to Sarilla. 5 seconds. Pedrano, kick out to Castillo. Castillo jacks up a three. Gets that three. Bang. 5 seconds. Basket count 2 points for Sarilla. Our official score 32-17. Pook floating is still in favor. Start of the second quarter. Dubai. Dubai to Cruz. Cruz to Tevez. Tevez to points. Dubai. Kanyamo. Whoa. Vidal for the rebound. Yes, 2 points. Cruz. Bring on the ball. Pass it to Dubai. Back to Cruz. Deep pass. Luciano get the ball. Baltasar. Get fouled. Foul number 22. First personal foul. First team foul. First free throw is good for Salazar. Second free throw no good for Salazar. Lubal penetrating. Kick out to Cruz. Cruz. Luciano got the ball. Luciano running. Luciano to Vidal. Vidal, no good. Luciano is there for the rebound. To Vidal again, no good. Luciano is there again for the rebound. Luciano, no good again. Luciano. Hello. Pook, floating ball. Ka-hyper. Timeout. Pook, floating. Ka-hyper getting crazy. What is happening to you, Ka-hyper? Uh-oh. Back to the ball game. Lubal, bring down the ball. Lubal, does Aldivar back to Lubal. Lubal, to Maglaki. Yes, 2 points for Maglaki. Luciano, to Isidro. Isidro, to Vidal. Vidal on the paint. Back to Isidro, 10 seconds to shoot. Isidro to Kanyamo. Loose ball, Vidal get the ball. Vidal! No good, that got fouled. Foul number 27. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First free throw is good for Vidal. Both free throws are good for Vidal. Nubal. 2-pointer Nubal, no good. Tebes is there for the rebound, no good. Maglaki is there for the rebound. Ang laki. Ang laki-laki. 2 points. Luciano. Oy! No good. Luciano got the rebound again. Luciano on the paint. Great deep in Nubal. Uy! Sino ba? Foul number 8. First personal foul. Nubal to Santibar. Jacks number 3. No good. Vidal got the ball. Passes to Luciano. Luciano to Salazar. Salazar, no good. Tebes to Saldivar. Saldivar to Nubal. Nubal to Maglaki. Maglaki. 14 seconds to shoot. Dribbling. Still by Vidal. Vidal to Luciano. Oh no, Saldivar got the ball. Cruz got the ball. Cruz spins. Cruz dribbling. Cruz. Lay! No good. Maglaki got a rebound. 2 points. Maglaki. Point lead for Pook. Loading. Official score 40-22. No good for Isidro. Saldivar to Nubal. Nubal running. Nubal bringing down the ball. Nubal penetrating. Same ball. Time out. Pinasia Warriors. Tapu. Gamit ka mag-time out. Gamit ka mag-time out. Gamit ka mag-time out. Time out. Back to the ball game. Fourteen seconds on the shot clock. Seconds to shoot. Cruz to Saldivar. Back to Cruz. Wide open. Cruz. Yes. Bang bang. Luciano to Salazar. Salazar to Isidro. Back to Salazar. Salazar. Casa Madrid. No good. Saldivar with the rebound. Saldivar running to Cruz. Cruz. Casa Madrid again. Yes. Hot hands by Cruz. Luciano to Canyamo. Canyamo wants to answer back. Yes! Canyamo, 3 points. Nubal surveying the lead. Nubal dribbling. Nubal to Cruz. Cruz to Saldivar. 10 seconds to shoot. Cruz, long 3. No good. Maglaki got the rebound. 2 points. 23-point lead for Pook Loading. Aaron Luciano got fouled. Foul number 22, second personal foul. Third team foul. Seconds to shoot. Luciano to Canyamo. Canyamo to Salazar. Salazar, jumper. Yes, for Salazar. Change 5. Lim, bring them the ball. Lim to Costan. Costan back to Lim. Lim fakes. Lim to Dizon. Dizon on the paint. Ang laki, 2 points for Dizon. Papu to Jay Santos. Jay Santos jacks up a 3. No good. Marcelo is there for the rebound. Aurelio. Serenity. Aurelio to Dizon. To Costan. Costan fakes. Dizon to Marcelo. Block by Papu. Great D. Costan jumper. Sayang hindi na shoot. Bestie. Badong to Jay Santos. Jay Santos spins. Uy, ganda na po. Sayang. Costan with the rebound. Costan to Aurelio. Aurelio penetrating. Aurelio. 2 points. Papu bringing out the ball. Papu to Asuelo. Asuelo to Marmeto. Marmeto floater. Oh, good. Aurelio to Lim. Steal by Papu. Papu penetrates. Aurelio to Marcelo. Marcelo to Lim. Lim, no good. Jay Santos got the rebound. Jay Santos to Papu. Papu! 2 points with a foul. Foul number 2. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Bonus free on the good for Papu. Lim, face, Lim, penetrating, Lim. Lay no good. Badong with the rebound. Badong running. 4v2 situation to Jay Santos. Jay Santos. No good. Pook looking ball. Lim to Dizon. Dizon back to Lim. Lim to Marcelo. No good. Jay Santos bring down the ball. Jay Santos to Papu. Papu jacks on the 3. No good. Oh, floating ball. Aurelio to Lim. Lim to Dizon. Back to Lim. Lim. Yes. Bang bang. Lim to Ray. Jay Santos being defended by Aurelio. Passes to Badong. Badong surveying the D. Badong being defended by Lim. Marmeto to Badong. Badong floater is good, 2 points. Aurelio bring down the ball. Aurelio penetrates.
Sige mag-away.
Foul number 72, second personal foul. Second team foul.
Alam mo yun, pre, pag sinasaka, ibig sabihin, gusto nila, ako din lang.
Bestie na, pasok ko kaya sa information.
Dito.
Kapakain mo ang information. Marquis, Bestie.
First free throw is good for Aurelio. Second free throw no good for Aurelio. Papu being defended by Aurelio. Papu to Asuelo. 14 seconds to shoot. Asuelo, no good. Dizon with the rebound. Lim to Aurelio to Dizon. Dizon, 2 points. Orn. Papu being defended by Aurelio. Besti sayang. Same ball. 14 seconds of the shot clock. Foul number 85. First personal foul, penalty. Two shots for Jay Santos. First free throw is good for Jay Santos. Second free throw good for Jay Santos. This one with the rebound. Our official score, 58-32. Still in favor of Pook Loting. What a big lead. Lim, Jackson Madrid is good for Lim. 29-point lead for Pook Loting. Papu will attack. Papu will penetrate. Papu, the Giant Slayer, 2 points. Aurelio to Marcelo. Uh-oh. Phoenician Warriors ball. 25.8 seconds remaining. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Jay Santos to Badong. Badong jumper mid is good, 2 points. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Lim no good. End of the first half.
Smoke weed, get drunk.
Start of our second half. Jay Santos being defended by Cirelia. Jay Santos will penetrate. Jay Santos will good. This one with the rebound. Castillo. Veterano to Cirelia. To Castillo. Castillo fakes. Three seconds violation. Luciano to Marmeto. Marmeto wide open. Three-pointer. No good. Kobe got the rebound. Passes to Cirelia. Cirelia will penetrate. Luciano got the ball. Luciano running. Hyper Luciano. Luciano to Jay Santos. Jay Santos, 2 points. Great pass for Luciano. Cirelia back to Castillo. Castillo to Pedrano. Pedrano wants that three-pointer. No good. Marmeto got the rebound. Marmeto to Jay Santos. Jay Santos will lay up. No good. Kobe got the rebound. Kobe to Castillo. Castillo to Pedrano. Back to Castillo. Castillo jumper boarding is good. 2 points for Castillo. Jay Santos waiting for his teammate. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano for the trifecta. No. This one with the rebound. Castillo to Cirelia. Cirelia got fouled. Foul number 8, second personal foul. First team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Castillo to Pedrano. Back to Castillo. 10 seconds to shoot. Cirelia to Castillo to Pedrano. Pedrano, Jackson agree. Pedrano, no good. Luciano with the rebound. Hyper running. Luciano pumps. Kanyamo got the loose ball. Kanyamo to Luciano. 14 seconds to shoot. Luciano kick out to Padayuman. To Jay Santos. 2-pointer. Yes. 2 points for Jay Santos. 23-point lead for Paul Floating. Our official score is 63-40. Foul number 72. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 14 seconds with the shot clock. Luciano got the ball. Luciano to Padayuman. Padayuman, 2 points. Luciano wants that assist. "14 seconds to shoot. Castillo to Kobe. Kobe on the paint. No good. Kobe again. Kobe got fouled. Foul number 6. First personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots for number 5. First free throw is good for Kobe. Second free throw is good for Kobe. Jay Santos. He penetrates. Floater. Jay Santos no good. Jay Santos got the rebound earning. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano ka-hyper. Akakmo, 2 points. Castillo to Serilla. Serilla to Castillo. Castillo kick out to Petrano. Petrano will attack. Petrano, 2 points. Marmeto to Luciano. Luciano to Marmeto. Marmeto fakes. Marmeto long three. No good. Kobe got the rebound. Oh no. Tunisia Warriors ball. Substitution. Salazar in. Adayuman out. "14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Jay Santos to Luciano. 30 seconds to shoot. Luciano kick out to Salazar. Salazar for the drive. Vecta is good. Salazar. Castillo to Serilla. Serilla. Easy 2 points. Jay Santos. Steal by Serilla. Petrano got the ball. Castillo, pass to Castillo. Castillo. Whoa, boarding no good. Serilla no good. Petrano no good. But the foul. Timeout, Tunisia Warriors. Rep, that's foul, rep. Foul number 3, first personal foul. Warning for penalty, Tunisia Warriors. Our official score is 69-47. Time remaining 5 minutes and 41 seconds. 2 free throws for Petrano. First free throw is good for Petrano. Both free throws are good for Petrano. Substitution. Aurelio in, Petrano out. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano to Marmeto. Back to Jay Santos. Jay Santos. Foul number 15. First personal foul number 15. First team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano, floater. Uy, everything that is red. 2 points for Luciano. Castillo to Serilla. Serilla, Jackson a 3. Yes! 3 points for Serilla. Jay Santos to Marmeto. Marmeto surveying the 14 seconds to shoot. Marmeto to Salazar. 10 seconds to shoot. Salazar back to Marmeto. Marmeto to Salazar again. Salazar no good. Cañamo got the ball. Cañamo 2 points. Great hustle by Luciano. Aurelio. Jumper Aurelio. Whoa, 2 points for Aurelio. Basic basketball. Jay Santos to Marmeto. Marmeto, Kobe again. 2 points. Aurelio. Lead defended by Salazar. Aurelio. Steal by Salazar. Pass to Luciano. Open lane, Luciano. A hyper. 2 points for Luciano. Timeout called. Pook loading. Our official score is 76-55. still in favor of Rock Loki. Time remaining 4 minutes and 12 seconds. Back to the ball game. Sirilia to Marcelo. Marcelo no good. Marcelo gonna ball again. 10 seconds to shoot. Marcelo to Lim. Lim to Sirilia. Sirilia to Aurelio. 5 seconds to shoot. Aurelio. No good. But don't get the rebound. Aurelio 2 points. Sirilia running. Sirilia to Aurelio. Aurelio. Jay Santos got the ball. Canyamo easy 2 points. Canyamo. Lim to Aurelio. Aurelio back to Lim. Lim drops on a 3. No good. Badong with the ball. Badong to Luciano. Steve to Aurelio. Aurelio to Serilia. Serilia no good but the foul. Foul number 8, third personal foul. Penalty. Substitution. Constantin. Maglaki out. First free throw is good for Serilia. Both free throws are good for Serilia. Substitution, Mubal in, Serilia out. Luciano to Marmeto. Marmeto jumper. Yes. Marmeto 2 points. Lim. Will attack. Kick out to Nubal. Nubal. Loader is good. 2 points for Nubal. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano to Marmeto. 14 seconds to shoot. Marmeto from downtown. Oh yeah. Bang bang. Lim to Aurelio. Aurelio to Marcelo. Marcelo. No good. Luciano got the rebound. Luciano running. Luciano dribbling. Luciano to Jay Santos. Back to Luciano. Luciano jacks on the 3. Luciano no good. Constant with the rebound. Nubal bring down the ball. Nubal dribbling. Nubal to Aurelio. 14 seconds to shoot. Aurelio jumper. Aurelio no good. Luciano with the rebound. Luciano to Marmeto. Marmeto. Easy 2 points for Marmeto. Mabiling violation. Substitution. Papo to Badong, back to Papo. Papo fakes. Papo will penetrate. Papo floater. No good. Lupal got the ball. Lupal bring on the ball. Lupal 1-2. Lenny no good but got fouled. Foul number 30. First personal foul, penalty, 2 shots for the ball. First free throw is good for the ball. Both free throws are good for the ball. Luciano got fouled. Foul number 2, second personal foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Jay Santos to Papu. Papu to Luciano, back to Jay Santos to Papu. Papu freaks. Papu will attack. Papu blocked by Marcelo. Steal by Vidal. Vidal to Luciano. Luciano will attack. Luciano got fouled. Foul number 88. First personal foul. 13th foul. 2 shots for Luciano. First free throw is good for Luciano. Second free throw is good for Luciano. Lupal to Lim. 14 seconds to shoot. Lim to Aurelio. Ooh. Traveling violation. .3 seconds remaining on the clock. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds remaining. 3 seconds remaining. End of the third quarter. We are approaching the final quarter. Our official score, 84-65. Still a big lead by Pook Clothing. Start of the final quarter. Cruz to Lim. Lim no good. Tevez got fouled. Foul number 99. First personal foul for number 99. 2 shots for Tevez. First free throw no good for Tevez. is good for Tebes. Luciano back to Jay Santos. Jay Santos jacks on the three from downtown. No good. Tebes with the rebound. Passes it to Lim. Lim dribbling down the ball. Lim. To Cruz. 14 seconds to shoot. Cruz penetrates. No good. Jay Santos got the rebound. Jay Santos penetrating. Vidal got the ball. Badong got the ball. Badong floater is good. 2 points. Cruz to Lim. Lim drops up a 3. Yes! 3-pointer for Lim. It's good. Luciano. To Canyamo. Canyamo no good. Vidal for the rebound. Vidal no good. Vidal got fouled. Foul number 27. Third personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Vidal. First free throw is good for Vidal. Both free throws are good for Vidal. Cruz to Lim. Lim fakes. Lim will penetrate. No good. Costan got the ball. Costan to Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. Lim fakes. Back to Cruz. 5 seconds to shoot. Cruz layup. No good. Luciano to Badong. Badong 2 points. 18-point lead for Pook Loting. Official score 88-70. Steal. Luciano running. Luciano to Vidal. Vidal layup no good. Jay Santos 2 points is good. Timeout. Pook Loting. Cruz bring down the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Tebes no good. Steal by Nubal. Nubal lay no good. Canyamo for the rebound. Canyamo to Marmeto. Marmeto bring down the ball. Marmeto stop. Fakes and shot. Marmeto 3. No good. Costan with the rebound. Costan to Lim. Lim to Cruz. Cruz will penetrate. Passes to Tebes. Tebes 2 points. Jay Santos surveying the lead. 14 seconds to shoot. Luciano to Canyamo. Canyamo will penetrate. Canyamo no good. Jay Santos get the ball. Jay Santos no good. Lim a rebound. Lim to Tebes. Back to Lim. Lim to Costan. Costan to Nubal. Nubal, wide open 3-pointer, no good. Cruz is there for the rebound. Cruz no good. Nubal is there for the rebound. Nubal, 2 points is good for Nubal. Fourteen seconds to to shoot. Luciano Hyper, 2 points.
Kaya may tayo ka. Kaya.
14 seconds to shoot. Lim from downtown. Bang! Lim, 3-pointer. Luciano to Kanyamo. Kanyamo jumper. No good. Badong with the rebound. Badong to James Santos. James Santos, 2 points.
Kaya nga eh. Lagyan na ng water ba?
14 seconds to shoot. Cruz, long three. No good. Luciano to Badong. Badong, 2 points. Time remaining 5 minutes and 5 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Lim. 3-pointer again. Hot hands by Boss Lim. Jay Santos to Luciano. Back to Jay Santos. Jay Santos. 2 points for Jay Santos. Time out. Pokok. Floating. 18-point lead for Pook floating. Pook floating. No timeout left. Back to the ball game. Castillo to Cerilla. Back to Castillo. Castillo to Aurelio to Kobe. Tipped. Aurelio get the ball. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Aurelio jumper. Aurelio jumper. No. Papo got the rebound. Papo to Luciano. Back to Papo. Papo blocked by Aurelio. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano. Uy, tip fast. Oo, floating ball. Aurelio to Castillo. Castillo to Aurelio. Aurelio to Dizon. 14 seconds to shoot. Dizon to Castillo. Corner 3. No good. Kobe for the rebound. No good, but got fouled. Foul number 9. D9. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Kobe. First free throw is good for Kobe. Luciano running. Luciano penetrating. Luciano to Vidal. Vidal to Jay Santos. Jay Santos. No good. Dizon in the rebound. Passes to Aurelio. 19-point lead for Pook floating. Kobe to Dizon. Dizon. 2 points. Ang laki. Papu to Luciano. Luciano wants to bump before the 2 points. Aurelio to Castillo. Castillo bringing down the ball. Passes to Cerilla. 14 seconds to shoot. Cerilla to Kobe. 10 seconds to shoot. Kobe to Castillo. 5 seconds to shoot. Pin Asia Warriors ball.
Up! Yeah!
Papu. No good. Castillo to Kobe. Kobe, 2 points. Foul number 99, third personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus shot for number 5, Kobe. Bonus free throw is good for Kobe. Jay Santos to Salazar to Luciano. Luciano to Kanyamo. Oh no. Couldn't get the ball. Kobe get the ball. Passes to Castillo to Aurelio. Aurelio dribbling. Aurelio passes to Kanyamo. Passes to Badong. Badong to Jay Santos. Jay Santos. 2 points.
Kung nakita nyo, tawagin na.
Last 2 minutes. Aurelio. 14 seconds to shoot. Surveying the lead. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Aurelio fakes. 3 seconds to shoot. Kobe jumper. No good. Jay Santos with the rebound. Passes to Luciano. Luciano 1v1 situation. Easy lay for Luciano. 2 points. Aurelio to Kobe. Kobe on the post. 10 seconds to shoot. Kobe. Robin league violation. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano to Salazar. Salazar fakes. Oh no! Robin league violation. Red. 14 seconds to shoot. Aurelio spins. Aurelio kick out to Castillo. Castillo, 3-pointer. Castillo, no good. Kanyamo got the ball. Pass to Salazar. Salazar to Jay Santos. Jay Santos, no good. Serilla with the rebound. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Timeout. Being Asian Warriors. .5 seconds remaining on the clock. Badong, 3. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. End of the final game. Our final score, 104-89. Brock Loading got their spot on the finals.